I will explain how you can write Bellatrix tests using SpecFlow BDD. SpecFlow is promoted as binding business requirements to .NET Core or Cucumber for .NET. BDD aims to narrow the communication gaps between team members, foster better understanding of customer, and promote continuous communication with real-world examples. Let's look at standard Bellatrix tests that automate an online shopping cart like this one. First, we control the browser through the browser attribute. We pick which browser we want to use, and then we mention that it needs to be reused if it started, or we can change it to restart every time. Then we configure to take screenshots and videos on test failures. We call the Bellatrix page object directly in the tests, their action methods and assertions. Now let's review how the same test will look like with SpecFlow. In SpecFlow we use human readable sentences. Each sentence is mapped to a specific coded step. These steps are placed in a class that is marked with the binding attribute. Later, each method is marked with specific mapping attribute when then given. Bellatrix SpecFlow integration comes with tons of predefined coded steps which you can use to control the Bellatrix behavior, like controlling the browser or mentioning to take screenshots or videos on test failures. You have steps for configuring the execution in cloud providers. For example, here we configure the test to be executed in the cross-browser testing cloud. You have steps for controlling the Bellatrix common services, like waiting for Ajax or managing web cookies. The SpecFlow integration is available for all technologies: web, Android, iOS desktop and API. For example, here we start an Android application on Android 7.1 emulator. We strive to make the Gherkin steps almost identical for all technologies.